Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Shein so the card ties to your account immediately. Once signed in, open the app menu or site account area and go to Wallet, then Gift Card or Redeem Code. You must type the alphanumeric code exactly, including dashes if present, then tap Redeem. This moves the card value into your Shein balance. Make sure the balance appears before shopping so you can use it at checkout without issues. You now add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. Once on the payment page, choose Payment, then select Use Wallet or Gift Card as the funding source. Some screens label it as Shein Balance. If your order exceeds the card value, split payment by selecting how much of the gift balance to apply and choose a second payment method for the remainder. Make sure shipping address and currency match the gift card terms to avoid declines. Finish by confirming the order shows the gift deduction and then tap Pay to complete the purchase. If the gift card doesn't apply, double-check that the redeem step succeeded, verify the balance and currency, and confirm the card hasn't expired or been partially used. If problems persist, capture screenshots of your redeemed balance and checkout screen, then contact Shein support. This speeds resolution. And remember, keep the original code until the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.